If you've got sore joints, the first question to ask is why? What's the cause? Because once you know the cause of your sore joints, it allows you to come up with a much more precise strategy to get you to a place of feeling better. Now, some causes, for example, can be that as you get a bit older, the collagen that builds the cartilage in the joints starts to break down, so they don't move as smoothly. It's a bit rougher, and then eventually it wears down to the point where you got some bone-on-bone action that can be really excruciating. Then you also have arthritis and osteoarthritis. It could be because of overuse and repetitive movement injuries. Maybe you have old injuries that are kind of coming back to haunt you a little bit. It could be that you just live a very sedentary lifestyle. It could be autoimmune disorders that are causing inflammation, like rheumatoid arthritis or Hashimoto's or fibromyalgia. So if you can come back and put in our Instagram stories question box what you can figure out to be the root cause of your joint pain and your sore joints, then we can get a little bit more specifically into that. For the moment, I'll just share some general advice in this area, which is that infrared heat is incredibly beneficial. If you can get into an infrared sauna, that's great. If you need some help getting an infrared sauna, let me know, and I'll make sure you're really well taken care of in that department. Then moderate, low impact exercise. You don't need to go crazy and don't want to do stuff that's going to be hard on your joints. If you got, knee and hip pain, going out for a run is not going to necessarily be the right move. Maybe you're walking first, or maybe you're getting on an elliptical, or maybe you're going swimming or riding a bike, a way of getting moving without a lot of impact. Also, if extra weight is hanging onto your body, focusing on weight loss. And if you need tips on how to do that, let me know. I'm happy to provide a lot of tips there, because that way there's going to be less weight pulling down, a lot less pressure on those joints at all times. Then overall, you want to, of course, be on an anti-inflammatory diet with plenty of long-chain omega-3s and minimizing omega-6s. Of course, minimizing processed foods and sugar and all this stuff that's just going to cause more inflammation. And then look at some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory supplements, things like the Mariva form of turmeric, which is a phytosome form of turmeric that's very, very bioavailable. Then you could look at molecular hydrogen tablets that you dissolve in your water that have a chemical reaction that produces hydrogen gas. That's a very powerful anti-inflammatory. And then also CBD. And CBD, look at like Quicksilver Scientific for that, the nano-emulsified form that's going to be very bioavailable and very pure. Then supplementing with collagen and gelatin to support the health of your joints is a really good idea. Herb-wise, eucomia is the classic one for this, for supporting the integrity of your joints and your tendons and your ligaments and your whole structure of your body. Eucomia is fantastic. And then, especially when old injuries are at play, systemic enzymes are another one that can get in and bring down inflammation and help to eat up old scar tissue. Something like serrapeptase and papain and bromelain. You can get these in supplements, and these are enzymes that you don't take with food. You take these on an empty stomach. If you take them with food, they'll help you maybe to digest the food a little bit, but mainly they'll just be destroyed. You want to take them on an empty stomach with plenty of water, and that's how they're going to be most beneficial. So I hope something in here was helpful for you. If you have a sore joint and you know what's causing it, leave a comment below. I'm curious to know what is causing it for you. Or if you don't know, just leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I'm curious to know where everybody's connecting to us from here. So thanks again for joining me again today, guys. We would love to stay connected with you, so please also leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and fun health information. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.